Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a very hotly anticipated viewer request. This one was requested a lot, actually. This is the Olympia extra large wig by Belle in the color Chocolate Cream Root. Not only is this style requested all the time, but the color is requested all the time. So I figured I would kill two birds with one stone by reviewing them both on the same wig. So, what's up with this extra large? Well, let me tell you, the European extra large designation actually is more analogous to an American large cap than anything else. What you'll find, you know, if you get into some of these Ellen Villa large cap wigs or even Belle large cap wigs, is that their version of a large cap is actually much smaller than the American large cap. I don't know why that is, but that is how that goes. So if you have purchased in the past, say, a Tempo Deluxe 100 in the large cap and wondered why the heck is this still small, well, hopefully that explains it. You'd be better off going with something like Olympia here, which comes in the extra large cap size. The extra large European, again, being more analogous to the American large cap. Now, there aren't a whole lot of wigs that come in this size, so your options are kind of limited, which is why I always advocate that people learn how to alter their own wigs. And in doing so, you will open up an entire world of wigs if you wear one of the more obscure cap sizes. So this one is a beautiful color. So let me go ahead and zoom in on that for you. This chocolate cream rooted has a lot going on. The base shade is kind of like a light to medium brown, and you see more of it down here at the bottom. And as you get more towards the top and more towards the front, you get more of these very beautiful, almost foiled highlights. The highlight colors are a 27, which is this color here, which is kind of like a strawberry blonde meets a light caramel brown. And then in addition to that, you also get this very lovely 20 highlight, which is kind of like an ashy light blonde. It's very beautiful. Has little hints of gold, but overall it's got a little bit more ash to it than gold. And so those three colors together really create a very dynamic and beautiful wig. And then of course the rooting here, you can see here, that's in that number 10, which is that medium to light golden brown. It's a very beautiful color. I'm going to go ahead and zoom back out now. So this wig has a lot of texture, lots and lots of texture. It's kind of like a short modified bob. In the back, it's got a lot of texture as well, but I wouldn't necessarily consider this one heavily stacked or anything like that. It's very, very tastefully done, and it's one of those styles that will look good on people of any age. It can be manipulated to play up on those layers, as I'm doing right now. And again, I am adjacent to a park right now, so I'm sorry if you're hearing a lot of ambient noise. I like the outdoor lighting because I feel like it gives a very true representation of what these colors look like. And the trade-off is that there's a lot of all that going on. But very beautiful length, by the way. Check that out. It's about 9.5 to 10 inches in the front here, so it hits right there. There is a shorter layer right here that hits right at the cheekbone, so that's about 5.5 inches. So very luscious layering on this one. I'm going to go ahead and do my little turn so you can see what Olympia extra large looks like from all sides. I'm going to do that a little bit so you can kind of see some of the potential here. All you need is a little bit of synthetic friendly styling spray, and you can manipulate her to look just like the manufacturer photo. What a cute wig. I really like this one, and she's really comfortable on me. I have kind of a largish head, so this particular size is the sweet spot for me. It's in fact almost a little loose on me, but you get plenty of room. Oh my gosh, look at all this room in the back. So this one's great for large cap wearers. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off now. Yeah, nothing makes me more cross than when I'm demoing large capped wigs that fit me snugly. And I'm like right on the border between an average and a large cap. And I'm like, hey, I feel really bad because it shouldn't be marketed as a large cap wig if it's something that doesn't actually fit a large head, right? At least that's my feeling on it. This one is very size appropriate. So here's that lace front. You can see Belle Madame does this lovely thing where the lighter color is up on the lace. The reason why they do that is it blends in better with your scalp. Light knotting is harder to detect. And so that's why I really like it when if a color is heavily highlighted, if the highlight shade is up near the lace, because it just looks more convincing that way. Here is that monofilament top. The whole thing is hand tied, and this material is very soft. It's not particularly stretchy, but it doesn't really need to be. It's quite generously cut on its own. You've got a nice amount of felt here on the ear tabs with a little bit of metal in there to keep them in place. The back is not necessarily extended, but it is felt, and you have these very lovely Velcro adjusters. If you need more space, you can actually cut the Velcro off of this here and then just pull it through, because this is all covered, the elastic is covered here. That will give you a little bit more room if you absolutely need it. So here is an up close and personal look at the color. Beautiful color. It's lighter on the top, darker at the bottom. Very dynamic. Overall, it's a light brown shade with lots and lots of highlights. Very, very pretty color. Rooted. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So now I'm going to go ahead and put this back on. This wig is extremely lightweight. It weighs about 2.8 ounces. So it's very, very light. Once it's in place, it doesn't really feel like you have anything on at all. The hair fiber from the Belle Madame line is luscious. It's very, very baby fine and silky, and it just feels very, very nice. I feel like it actually gets a little bit better after you wash it. It feels really, really beautiful on, and that's one of the things that people keep telling me over and over again when they buy these wigs is how beautiful the hair feels. And on top of that, the lace used in this line is very pliable, very soft, and it's not particularly scratchy. Like, I'm rubbing up against the inside of it. And, you know, I think that this one's very appropriate for people who have a sensitive scalp. It just feels very, very lovely on. So there you have it. This has been the beautiful Olympia extra large wig by Belle Madame in the color Chocolate Cream Root. Hopefully this kind of demystifies it for you a little bit and helps you see how lovely this one looks on. So until next time, I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. And I hope you have a great night. Check out my web store if you get a chance. And until next time, bye-bye.